Hey, I'm Carl Henrik Anderson. I'm a hemp farmer and entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to make a profit from growing hemp. Hemp farming is hard work with long hours and back-breaking labor. But despite all that, it can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. Over the course of this video, I'm going to share with you 10 tips for boosting your hemp farming profits. Before we get into the tips, I want to make one thing perfectly clear. Hemp farming is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're thinking about getting into hemp farming to make a quick buck, you're going to be sorely disappointed. Like any other crop, growing hemp requires a big investment in time, money, and effort. Before you even think about putting your seeds in the ground, you need to do your research and make sure you understand what you're getting yourself into. First, you need to make sure that hemp is legal to grow in your state. Hemp laws vary from state to state, so it's important to do your research and make sure you're in compliance with all applicable regulations. You also need to have a solid business plan in place. This plan should include things like your target market, your production costs, and your marketing strategy. Hemp farming is not for the faint of heart, but if you're willing to put in the work, hemp farming can be a very rewarding experience. Hemp is an incredibly versatile crop that can be used to create a wide range of products. But not all hemp products are created equal. Some hemp products are more profitable to grow than others. Before you start planting hemp, it's important to do your research and choose a product that is in high demand and that you can grow profitably in your area. Some of the most profitable hemp products include media, CBD oil bottles on a shelf. CBD oil. CBD is a non-psychoactive compound found in hemp that has a wide range of medicinal benefits. CBD oil is one of the most popular hemp products on the market, and it can be very profitable to grow. CBG oil. CBG is another non-psychoactive compound found in hemp that has a number of potential health benefits. CBG oil is becoming increasingly popular, and it can be even more profitable to grow than CBD oil. Hemp fiber is one of the strongest natural fibers in the world, and it can be used to make a wide variety of products, including clothing, paper, and building materials. Hemp fiber is in high demand, and it can be a very profitable crop to grow. Choosing the right hemp seed is one of the most important decisions you'll make as a hemp farmer. It's important to purchase your seeds from a reputable source and to choose a strain that is well suited to your climate and growing conditions. Different hemp strains have different cannabinoid and terpene profiles. When choosing a hemp strain, consider your climate, the desired cannabinoid profile, the end use of the hemp, and the legality of the strain in your state. This will ensure you get the best results for your specific needs. Chapter 4. Once you've decided on the type of hemp product you want to grow, you need to choose the right hemp seed strain. There are thousands of different hemp strains available, so it's important to do your research and choose a strain that is well suited to your climate and growing conditions. You'll also want to consider the strain's yield potential, cannabinoid profile, and resistance to pests and diseases. Consult with experienced growers in your area for valuable insights. The goal is to choose a strain that will produce a high yield of high-quality hemp that you can sell for a profit. Chapter 5. Here's a quick lesson in hemp plant biology. Hemp plants can be male, female, or hermaphrodites. Male hemp plants produce pollen, which is necessary for fertilizing female plants. Female hemp plants produce the flowers that contain CBD, CBG, and other cannabinoids. If you're growing hemp for CBD or CBG production, you'll want to buy feminized seeds. Feminized seeds are bred to produce almost exclusively female plants. This is important because only female plants produce the flowers that contain CBD and CBG. By planting feminized seeds, you can help to ensure a high yield of high-quality CBD or CBG. Chapter 6. Hemp seeds are not cheap. That's why it's so important to invest in seeds with a high germination rate. The germination rate of a seed is the percentage of seeds that are expected to sprout when planted. Every hemp seed that doesn't germinate represents the loss of potential income. When buying hemp seeds, be sure to ask the seller about the germination rate of their seeds. Look for seeds that have been tested by a third party to verify their germination rate. This will help you maximize your crop yield and profitability. Chapter 7. Diversify your products. Just like any other business, it's important to diversify your products if you want to be successful in the hemp industry. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The hemp market is still relatively new, and it's constantly changing. By diversifying your products, you can hedge your bets and reduce your risk. For example, if you're only growing hemp for CBD oil, you could be in trouble if the price of CBD oil drops. But if you're also growing hemp for fiber, grain, or other products, you'll be in a better position to weather any storms. Diversifying your products can also help you to reach a wider market. By offering a variety of products, you'll be able to appeal to a wider range of customers. If you're new to hemp farming, you may want to consider using hemp plant starts instead of starting your seeds from scratch. Hemp plant starts are young hemp plants that have already been started from seed and grown to a certain size. There are a few advantages to using hemp plant starts. First, it can save you time and money. Starting seeds from scratch can be a time-consuming and challenging process. By using hemp plant starts, you can skip this step and get a head start on the growing season. Second, using hemp plant starts can help to improve your chances of success. By using hemp plant starts, you can increase your chances of having a successful harvest. If you're serious about making a profit from hemp farming, you should consider hiring an expert to help you out. There are a lot of moving parts to a successful hemp farming operation, and it can be helpful to have someone on your team who knows what they're doing. An experienced hemp consultant can help you with everything from choosing the right strain to developing a marketing plan. Hiring an expert can be a significant investment, but it can be well worth it in the long run. A good consultant can help you to increase your yields, improve your quality, and maximize your profits. Finally, don't be afraid to ask lots of questions. Starting to farm a new crop is a big investment no matter the crop, so arm yourself with as much knowledge as possible. There are a lot of great resources available to hemp farmers, so don't be afraid to reach out for help. Talk to other farmers, attend industry events, and read everything you can get your hands on. The more you learn about hemp farming, the better equipped you'll be to succeed. When in doubt, reach out to your local agricultural extension office for valuable information. So, is it profitable to grow hemp? Yes, it is. Growing hemp isn't easy, and success is far from guaranteed. But now you know some of the best tips on how to grow hemp for profit. If you start with the right principles, perform good planning, order the best seeds, and invest in expert advice, we think you'll find hemp farming to be a profitable endeavor.